Hello students, this is Savita Pawar. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. In this video we are going to solve exercise 9b of lesson 9 matrices. In the I link above, I have shared the video of exercise 9a where I have explained in detail what is matrix and the different type of matrices, and also solved examples based on that topic. Also, if you have not subscribed yet, then please do subscribe to my channel Get the Math and press the bell icon to get the notifications. You can go to the playlist of ICSE 10 of my channel where you will find the required topic videos. So let's start with our today's topic, operations on matrices, that is your exercise 9b. So mathematical operations on the matrices. First one is the addition. So if you A and B are the two matrices of the same order, then their sum A plus B is the matrix obtained by adding the corresponding elements of A and B. So to add the matrices, the two matrix should be of the same order here. Okay, so A and B are the two matrices of the same order here. So you have to add the corresponding matrices. So this is 10 is corresponding, 2 is corresponding to 10 here, minus 3 is corresponding to 8. So you have to add the corresponding elements of the two matrices. Okay, so here I have done it. 10 plus 2, that is 12. Then 8 plus or minus is minus 3, it is 5, minus 6 plus 4, so plus minus becomes minus, it is minus 1, 4 plus 0 is 4. So this way you have to add the corresponding elements. Similarly for subtraction, you have to subtract the corresponding elements of the two matrices. So the same example, so this will be 10 minus 2 is 8 here, okay. Then minus 6 minus 5 will be minus 11. 8 minus of minus, this will be minus of minus here, now it will become plus, so 8 plus 3 is 11, and 4 minus 0 is 4. Okay, so similar to addition, it is subtraction, just you have to put the minus sign in between. Then multiplication. Now here in exercise 9b we are going to see the multiplication of a matrix by a single number. Okay, now multiplication of a matrix with another matrix, that we are going to see in exercise 9c, that will be in the next video. So multiplication of a matrix by a number. So this is a given matrix, you have to multiply, it is given 5a. As we know, the matrix is named by some alphabet in a capital letter, so it is multiplied by 5, so the matrix should also be multiplied by 5. So all the elements you should multiply by the given number, that is here it is 5. So here 5 2s will be 10, 5 3s are 15, then 5 4s is 20, and 5 5s is, this is minus 5, so minus 25. Okay, now here it is only written minus a, so for a no number is given here, but only minus sign, it means it is minus 1 here. So all the elements of A should be multiplied by minus 1 and you get the resultant matrix. Okay. Now dividing matrices. So for matrices there is no such thing as division. That means we do not really divide matrices, we multiply one matrix by the inverse of the other. Okay, so it is like instead of dividing 12 by 3, we get the 4 answers. So we can multiply 12 by the inverse of 1 by 3, that is inverse of 3, that is 1 by 3, and you get the similar answer. This is one and the same thing. So there is no such thing as division in the matrix. You can add, subtract, multiply matrices, but you cannot divide them. Since multiplying by 1 by 3 is same as dividing by 3, so it is one and the same thing, so we don't do the division pattern in matrices. Some properties of matrices. Let A, B, C be the any matrices, each of the order 2 by 2, then we have, first one is the commutative law of addition. If A plus B, if A plus B is the bracket, then it will be equal to B plus A. Associative law, now this you have studied in the algebra also. So A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. The bracket will change, but the answer will be same on both the sides. Now A plus 0, 0 means zero matrix or the null matrix. So A plus 0 equal to 0 plus A, that will give you A only, where 0 is a 2 by 2 0 matrix. then A plus opposite matrix of A, negative matrix of A will give you 0, that you know. Then x plus A equal to B here. So if you subtract minus, if you add minus A on both the sides here in this equation, minus A here also and on the other side also, so this will be A will get cancelled here, and this will be B minus A. So x plus this A minus A will be 0, and therefore x equal to B minus A. So this is normal equation that we solve it, so you can directly write this statement, but how it comes, it is shown here. So x will be equal to B minus A. Okay, so these are some of the properties that we are going to use to solve matrices. Let us start with exercise 9b. The first one given here is A is 2 minus 3 4. This is a row matrix. We have to find the values of 5A, that is A is multiplied by 5 here, A is multiplied by minus 4 here. Here no number means A is multiplied by minus 1, and in this case A is multiplied by 1 by 2. Okay, so 5A, write the matrix here. This is 5 multiplied by the matrix elements is 2 minus 3 and 4. So it will be 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, that is minus 15, and 5 4 is 20. Then multiply by minus 4. So 4 2 is 8, that is minus 8. Minus 4 minus 3 is 12, and minus 4 into 4 is minus 16. Multiply by minus 1, so it will be minus 2 plus 3 and minus 4, and multiply by inverse of 2, that is 1 by 2, so this will be 1 minus 3 by 2, and this will be 2. Okay, simple thing. Multiplying a matrix by a number is a very easy thing. So it is given 6m equal to this matrix. You have to find the value of m here. So if you want to find the value of m, you have to bring 6 on this side, so it will be division. So division means what? You have to multiply it 1 by 6, right? So m equal to 1 by 6 of this matrix. So divide each term with the 6 here, or multiply each of the term with 1 by 6 here. So 1 by 6 into 0 is 0, 1 by 6 into 6 is 1, 1 by 6 into minus 12 is minus 2, and 1 by 6 into 24 is 4. Okay. Now question 5th here is A is this given matrix, B is this matrix. You have to find A plus B, A minus B, and B minus A. So this is the A matrix and this is the B matrix. You have to add. So in addition, what you have to do, you have to add the corresponding elements of both the matrix. So 2 should be added to 1 here. So it will be 2 plus 1, then 5 plus minus 3. Write the sign as it is first. Minus 3 plus 2 and 7 plus 5. So on solving this, you get 2 plus 1 is 3, 5 minus 3 is 2, minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, 7 plus 5 is 12. So A plus B is this bracket, this matrix. Similarly, then you have to find A minus B here. So A minus B will be 2 minus 1, subtract the corresponding elements of both the matrix, then 5 minus of minus 3, minus 3 minus 2, and 7 minus 5. So you get, this is 1, 5 plus 3 is 8, minus 5, and 7 minus 5 is 2. So while doing subtraction or addition, you have to see which bracket, which name of the matrix is written first. Here in the second question it was A minus B, now here it is B minus A. So you have to write the B bracket first and then the A matrix. Okay. So same thing, do the subtraction of the corresponding elements and you get this result. The next question here is A, B, C are the given matrix. You have to find 2A plus 3B, 3B minus 2C and this equation, that is 3A minus 2B plus 4C. So whatever it is asked, you write it and write the matrix in place of the alphabets. So matrix A as 2, 4, 3, 2, matrix B as 1, 3 minus 2, 5. Okay. Now multiply these two inside the bracket here. So you will get 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6 and 2 2 is 4. Multiply this with 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6 and 3 5 is 15. And now you have to do the addition. So this will be 4 plus 3 8 plus 9, 6 plus minus 6, and 4 plus 15. So on doing the calculation, you get it as 2a plus 3b will be equal to 7, 17, 0 and 19. So these are the elements. Next question here is 3a minus 2b plus 4c. So multiply by 3 inside the bracket. So 3 2s is 6, 3 4s is 12, 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s is 6. 2 1s is 2, 2 3s is 6, 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 and 5 2s is 10. Here 4 2s are minus 8 here, 5 4s are 20, 4 3s are 12 and 4 4s is 16. Now first do the calculation of these two brackets, and it is subtraction in between. So it will be 6 minus 2, 12 minus 6, 9 minus of minus 4 and 6 minus 10, and the C bracket as it is 20 and 16. So on doing the calculation you get this result, and this is the addition. So then do the addition here. So this is the required result. Question 11, same thing, this was asked in 2004. This is the given expression here, a plus x equal to 2b plus c, and a, b, c are the given matrices. You have to find the value of x here. So bring a onto this side, you will get the equation as 2b plus c minus a, and substitute the value of b, c and a matrix and solve accordingly. Okay, so this is your resultant matrix for x. Same thing, a and b are the given matrix, and this is the given equation here. You have to find the value of x here. So bring 5x onto the other side. So this will be plus 5x and divide by 1 by 5 onto the other side. So this will be, x will be equal to 1 by 5 bracket 2a plus 3b, and then you can solve it as we have solved above. Similar question here also, 2x plus y equal to, this is the given matrix here. I have named it as A. So you have to find the value of x in this case. So bring y and 2 onto this side. So it will be x equal to 1 by 2 a minus y, and then substitute the values of a and y, and then you can solve it. Question 14, find the matrices a and b such that a plus b equal to this matrix and a minus b equal to this matrix. Now this is of a equation form, quadratic equation form. So a plus b equal to this matrix, that is equation 1, and a minus b equal to this matrix, that is equation number 2. Now add these two matrices. Now you can see here that b is the same in both the cases with opposite sign, so you can cancel b here, and therefore you can get it as 2a equal to addition of these two matrices. Now do the addition of these two matrices. Now if you can do it orally, you can do it, or this step you can avoid it, but I am not writing it here now. 5 plus 11, 4 plus 2, 7 plus minus 1 and 3 plus 7, that you get it as 16, 6, 6 and 10. But you want here a, you want the value of a, so it is 2a. So on the other side you have to multiply it by 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2, and the matrix is 16, 6 and 6 and 10. So multiply each of the element of this matrix by 1 by 2. So this will be 8s, this is 3s, 3s and 2 5s are 10. Now you got the value of a, you have to find the value of b now. So you have to substitute value of a in any one of this equation. I have considered here equation number 1. So for equation number 1 we want to find value of b here now. So a will move to this side, so it will be subtracting from this matrix. So b will be equal to this matrix minus a. So substitute value of a here and do the subtraction. So you get the value of b. So that was the required result of a and b matrix. Now this question was asked in 2019. Sine and this matrix plus cos and this matrix, you have to simplify it. So sine, here it is multiplication, so do multiply sine with each of the term inside the bracket. So sine into sine is sine square a. Sine into cos is minus sine cos. Sine into cos here. So sine A into cos A. And sine into sine again is sine square A. Similarly, for this next matrix, cos into cos is cos square A. Cos into sine is sine into cos, same thing. Cos into sine here, minus sine A cos A. And cos into cos is cos square A. Now do the addition. So the first term should be added to the first term of the second matrix. So sine square A plus cos square A, second with the second element, this is minus sine A cos A plus sine A cos A, right. Third element with the third element of the second matrix, sine A cos A plus this is minus sine A cos A, and the fourth element, that is sine square A plus cos square A. Now as we know from the trigonometry, that is sine square A plus cos square A is 1, and these are the opposite signs, same terms with the opposite signs, so that will be 0. This is also same thing, that is 0, and this is also sine square A plus cos square A is 1. So that is the simplification of the given matrix. Question 18 here is x, y, z variables are there. You have to find the values of x, y, z here. First multiply 3 inside the bracket. So you will get 3 to the 6, 3x, 3 and 0. Multiply 2 also here. So you get 8, 6, 2y and 4. And this is the z matrix. Okay. Now you have to add these two. So this will be 6 plus 8 is 14, 3 plus 2y, then 3x plus 6 and 0 plus 4 is 4 equal to the another matrix. Now equate those two. So for to equate these two matrices, you can equate the corresponding elements. So 14 is equal to z here. So z value is 14. Then 3x plus 6 equal to minus 3. So you have to find the value of x from this. So x will be equal to minus 3, and 3 plus 2y equal to 15. So 3 plus 2y equal to 15, therefore y will be equal to 6. Okay. So these are the values of x, y and z. Same question here, this was asked in 2018. Find the value of x and y if this is the given equation, 2 into this matrix plus the another matrix equal to some another matrix. Multiply 2 inside the bracket, and you will get as 2x plus 2x 14, 18 and 2y minus 10 are the elements. Add this with 6, minus 7, 4 and 5. So you will get it as 2x plus 6, 22, 7 and 2y minus 10 equal to 10, 22, 7 and 15. So equate the elements which are having variables. So 2x plus 6 equal to 10. So you can find the value of x here as 2 and 2y minus 5 equal to 15. So here you get y value as 10. So this is the required result. Okay. So this is how you can solve your exercise 9b. Hope you have understood it. If you have any query, drop it in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, Get the Math.